GNOME 40 has completely changed the look of Linux Desktop. It has taken the Linux Desktop experience to the next level. Now with that inspiration and momentum, the GNOME team is relentlessly working to make the GNOME Desktop much better, faster, and good looking. Now this is GNOME 42, the all-new update to the GNOME Desktop that brings noticeable visual changes and improvements. Hey guys, my name is KS Kiral, and in this video I'm going to talk everything about GNOME 42. Let's get started. GNOME 42 brings the visual changes and improvements to the GNOME Shell and Motor Display Manager. From the start of using it, you may notice everything looks fresh thanks to the better integration of GTK4 and libadwaita 1.0. Now, this new framework brings a fresh new look to the GNOME application. Now, most of the core applications you get to see in GNOME 42 are updated with GTK4. Along with that, you can find a new buttons, animations, icons, rounded corners, and subtle changes to the UI that make GNOME 42 more attractive. Now take a look at all new settings. It has been updated to look more modern. Functionality-wise, it's just the same, but the user interface is much cleaner and visually good looking. The auto layout mechanism has been strongly implemented for settings. This way, when you resize or expand the window, it dynamically changes the behavior of UI. Just take a look at this, it's flawless. GNOME 42 brings a system-wide dark style. Now this new option is found inside the appearance menu. You can also access it from the desktop by right-clicking. Then from the context menu, you can choose to change the background. Now keep in mind, this won't work with every application until it's updated to GTK4. As of now, all the default applications and the GNOME Shell looks fantastic with dark style. With the introduction of dark style, GNOME 42 brings a dynamic wallpapers. This way the wallpaper will be updated based on the style applied to the system. It looks stunning, and these are the new dynamic wallpapers you get to see in GNOME 42. It's time to say goodbye to the gedit, which has been served for so long. With GNOME 42, you can find the replacement to gedit with a brand new text editor. Now this new text editor looks very minimal and better looking. On the top bar, you can see all new updates, which includes a new buttons. You can also search for a file from the open drop-down menu, and you have an option to switch between light and dark modes. Also, these are the new color schemes that can be used to customize the text editor. Now, some of the features of text editor include a line numbers. A dot is shown on the top before the file name when the file is edited. Overall, I would say compared to gedit, GNOME text editor is more modern and very easy to use. When you press a print screen on your keyboard, it brings up a new ScreenShotUI. Now using this, you can capture the screenshot. For example, you can use a portion of the screen to be captured or take an entire screenshot with screen option. You can also use the Windows option to capture screenshots of any application running in the current workspace. GNOME 42 brings a built-in screen recorder. This way you can screen record the things you need to show and can be shared with others. It's not the best screen recorder compared to OBS, but as of now the options are limited. You cannot choose the encoder, adjust the frame rates or anything, which is sort of bummer. Overall, I would say GNOME 42 is going to be rolled on March 23rd. We're going to see the rolling distros will be the first ones to come out with GNOME 42. Apart from that, Canonical has been testing GNOME 42 with Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, which is scheduled to be released next month. Unfortunately, we can't see all the features of GNOME 42 which are going to be implemented on Ubuntu 2022. If you can't wait for GNOME 42 and want to try it right now, then check the link in the description and download the GNOME Nightly and install it on your computer. And that's pretty much it. So if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up down there and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider hitting the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if in case you have any suggestions, post them in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KSK Ryle. I'll catch you in my next one.